shots come catch the person. Akoko. Guess the person. Anyway, now welcome back on the next show. I've been telling that this evening I should take start and say our guest for Inside Studio today. Now Obiwon, Obiora Obiwon. I beg you to join us. Welcome, Obiwon. Welcome. Where has you been? Where has you been?
The first thing what I want to tell you is say, if not so, why I sing this song.
No, but I try. That you see that part of that. Is that I think they shake hands. What did they call that thing? Vibrato.
Just keep the way you did. the way you did do.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Where you go? Where you did since?
I did. You don't look for me.
I said I don't look for you. Anyway, we'll get Obiwon for Inside Studio. We'll discuss with them plenty. All of you now will be fans of Obiwon. Our phone numbers go there on top of your TV now. In fact, we go allow make all of you begin the call. Make all of you begin the call to take for talk to Obiwon. But before calls enter, more begin the call. But before calls enter, after I know say after Obi Mu O, what you do with Blaze?
Okay.
Blaze and you are Blaze. Only you and Blaze now.
M.I. and Blaze.
You Blaze and M.I. After that one, you can't go fully gospel.
But I had gone gospel by the time I did that.
So. Oh, you don't go gospel when you do Obi Mu O?
I got first now what I go try to do for this show. I go try turn my tongue.
Because
they speak Fiji.
Because turn it.
Okay. So wetin can happen be say when I do Obi Mu O, the album wey Obi Mu O dey for na my first gospel album.
Okay.
And na that period where I meet my wife. So now my wife actually inspired me make I sing that song.
Oh God! So, oh God! You see where love is sweet? You have look at your wife into the eye. Obi Mu O. Vibrato. Oh God! Where you meet your wife to start with?
That one no be vibrato.
What's it with that one? No vibration.
Yeah, exactly, that vibration.
Where you meet your wife?
Okay, I just go one wedding, that time. Or I've been the work for bank.
Yeah, so, I know you be the work for bank that time.
Yes, that time. So, and that na the period where they think this music thing where I won't come out and all that. So, one person will be my client for bank come invite me to in wedding.
Okay.
And I remembered clearly that day where I meet my wife, July 14, 2007.
How many of you can remember the date you met your wife? Can you? Continue.
Well, if it's important, you remember. Okay. But so many things in life, we know they to remember.
No, they to remember all these things.
Okay, but what it come happen be say, I did very tired that Saturday. But something just they tell me from my mind, say, you say you won't marry, you want me to, you go marry, but then go invite you for wedding, you no go. Like, so the thing just they tell me, I see this wedding don't finish, but make I just drag myself.
The wedding almost finish?
When I come there, the wedding don't finish. It don't finish complete. As I enter, they don't finish, they pack things.
Oh, now Usher she be?
No.
She dey sweep?
Now her sister, where they marry, her elder sister.
Oh!
Where they marry. So as I enter there, the first person where I see na she. I went with a friend of mine.
And you see, what happened? Is it that way you do for that Indian film where they show for? She can enter there.
Well,
Papa.
If you go Nollywood, act the movie, now that kind of thing, where they go do. And now that kind of thing happened to me, but you go just compose yourself.
You arrange yourself as a big boy.
But I see capture my interest. I say, okay, make her go as this person, no other person. This person where the man where the word day.
Okay.
So I now went and asked her. So she took me to the man with the word. So after I talked to the man, finished, tell her, I say, sorry, I come late to a conversation and all that. I come tell her, say, but who be this person? Who is
this daughter of the Lord? That is custom. Sorry, Felix, good evening. Sorry, so that they keep you for life.
Good evening.
How is you, my brother? Are you with me?
Nedu, I am with.
Wow! You want to follow Obi-Wan talk?
Yes, I want to follow and talk.
He dey hear you now.
Whoa.
Felix.
That's fact. That's why they bust my head those days.
Felix, how you doing? How you doing?
So, why you want this?
Guinea.
Call the break. You say, what you call this sense?
Okay.
Okay, where I come this since?
Yeah.
My brother, I dey, you know, between the time where you dey find me, the time where you know so this, where I did secular, you know, music, where I dey do secular music, and then between now, I do switch from the type of music where they do, where be secular before, to gospel. Now, so it happened for my life. So, you know, say the kind of music where they do now to touch souls. You know, they're as glamorous as the other one. So we did there, they build them, they come up. So that's so.
Feliz.
That's so it be.
Feliz. Sorry, I beg the other person who keep for line, not vex. I beg make una call us back. We'll go take your call immediately. After you come, they can't tell you say now.
They can't tell me. So I tell them say making column, making column. So you can't call them say make income. So you just come. I just ask them in name.
They call them there. You can't ask them the name.
I ain't can't call them. Can't leave.
Can't leave.
Two
so
of
talk on a
us.
Conde. They can't do shy. You see, actually, you see, it's not like this. Oh God.
But one thing will happen. They say, you know, say that kind of thing wedding. Now all eyes done on us, and I know saying parents they there. I can't tell and say, you know what's gonna happen now. You go just tell me your number. I go cram them. When I enter car, I go call you. And that number, I still never forget that number. Reach today. Because that was the opportunity of a lifetime for me. If I don't cram that number, I no go feel meet them again. Because the kind of person where my wife be now, you know, all those people, they don't even allow them to come out house after 6 p.m., this kind of thing. So, you know that kind of thing. So, I just recite that number for my heart.
244-355. 244-355. 244. Obiwon, good evening. 244-355. Greet me. 244-355.
Obiwon, good evening.
244. 244-355.
I don't know.
Hello, good evening. Alex.
Yes. Nedu, are you with me?
I am with. Now, man, you be a bit woman.
Alexandra.
Abima. No mind my voice.
Okay.
Hey.
No wahala.
Okay, no vex. You want follow Obiwon song, Abby?
I want to say your one.
If they hear you.
Alex, how you dey? I dey. Wetin dey happen?
You don't say, talk to you, you don't say.
I dey here now. How you dey?
I dey. Longest time.
Na so we see am.
Nedu, how far now?
I dey, Alex. Ask me small.
Papa, easy.
Alex, what's up?
Alex, you know what you gonna do? Anytime we wake up in the morning, chop dry garri, mix am with red oil. You dey hear me? When you wake up, chop dry garri, mix am with red oil. Your voice go thick. Gilibert, hello.
Hello?
Gilibert,
Edu.
are you with me?
I'm with you, Edu.
Gilibert, you want to talk to Obiwon?
Yes, correct.
He dey hear you.
Gilbert, how you dey?
Obiwon.
Yeah, wetin dey happen?
I've been a crazy fan, but the thing is that all this time, I know they see your album again. You know, I just hear that single where you do with Frank Edwards and all these other guys.
Thank God say you don't hear that one now.
Yeah. But the thing is, you get the album, there?
Yes, the album is there. It's called Gold Water.
But I never see anything like that.
Send me. You did for Twitter or Facebook?
Yeah.
On Facebook, Obiora Obiwon. Just search for Obiora Obiwon. On Twitter, at Obiora Obiwon. I'll get a copy across to you.
Okay.
Gilibert, you're not going to say thank you to me now.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're not talented. Obiwon a talented singer.
Oscar.
They say that these kind of people were supposed to get more.
Thank you.
My brother, Oscar.
Thank you.
He's talented.
Gilibert, thank you. In fact, make we watch. Gilibert, sit down, make you watch one video now from Obiwon. When we come back, we will continue. All of them where they call. When we come back, we will continue the call. So that we will talk to Obiwon. Obiora Obiwon. Obi Mu O.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.